Hi everyone, this is Tanya Zueva
and Boris Mednikov with Vanguard Real Estate.
And today we would like to show you our newest listing located at 123 Larch Bay in Oakbank.
This great community located only 15 minutes away from Winnipeg and just 15 minutes away from Burrs Hill Park. Let's step inside and take a look.
Welcome to this beautiful 1,400 square feet bungalow that features 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, spacious kitchen, beautiful backyard, 2 garages, and much more.
Guys, we are here right now at the fully finished lower level of this beautiful property. It comes with a good sized rec room, office space, full bathroom and tons of storage.
You're gonna love this beautiful backyard with those fruit trees, mature trees, large deck, and tons of space for your family to enjoy.
Guys, not only this property comes with a double detached garage, it also comes with an additional single detached oversized garage and lots of parking.
This great property combines both country living and easy access to all amenities of the city.
For any additional information or to book a private showing, you can contact us at the information below. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media at Boris Mednikov and Tanya Zueva on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. See you soon!